Good morning, all of you students. So, welcome to again lecture series for the MSc class second. Our our subject is the energy study, and we want to continue the first module, that is the energy resources and energy scenario. So, last lecture we see here the points is what is mean by the energy or classification of the energy, different types of the energy like as the fossil fuels, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, and so on. And also see the main types, that is based on the cycling system or based on the this source is renewable or not renewable, or conventional or non-conventional energy sources. So that based on this topic, so today's point is, that is the fundamentals of the renewable and non-renewable energy sources. And these fundamentals of renewable and non-renewable energy sources, so that depends upon the practical purposes of the energy supplies. Okay, what is, so that is the practical purposes of the energy supply. So that is known by, that is if you want to harness the energy, so that which type of energy, how it is utilized, or what is the importance of this energy, and that basically depends upon this point. So that have 2 points here classified into, so that is the renewable energy and non-renewable energy. So few lectures ago was seen here. So what is mean by the renewable energy? So that renewable energy is mean by that energy which is replenished or which is produced by again and again. So that is, for example, we have to see that time, that is the solar energy, we have considered the wind energy, we have considered the geothermal energy, consider as the biomass energy, or ocean thermal energy, something that correct. And what is mean by the non-renewable energy? That non-renewable energy is considered as the energy which is not replenished or which is not produced again and again by in the nature. So that is by the non-renewable energy sources. And these non-renewable energy sources, example like as the fossil fuel, coal, petroleum, etc. Okay, so in this lecture we want to see here the fundamentals of this energy sources, and also the system of the purposes of the renewable and non-renewable energy sources, that is what is the source of the environment and how it is extract, which device is used, and which is the pathway, which is basically see in this lecture. So first type is the renewable energy sources. Okay, so consider that is replenished, that is known as the energy obtained from regenerative or virtually inexhaustible source of the energy. That is, see here, the energy which is obtained from the regenerative or virtually inexhaustible source of energy. So first of all things, consider or see very carefully what is the difference between, that is three magic word is here, so that is meaning is same. Okay, but word is different. So consider as the renewable energy sources, same meaning, that is non-conventional energy sources, and that is known as the inexhaustible energy sources. What is renewable energy sources or non-conventional energy sources or inexhaustible energy sources? That three types of the meaning which is given by that energy resources are replenished or regenerative again and again in the nature, and this renewable energy sources is also called as the inexhaustible energy sources. What is inexhaustible energy sources? And that energy sources which are occurring in the naturally environment is called the renewable energy, and this energy is also referred as the non-conventional energy sources, or basically this is considered as the non-conventional energy sources. For example, solar energy, wind energy, consider again example is the thermal energy, geothermal energy, biomass energy, etc., etc. So these are the examples of the renewable energy sources. Next point, for the purposes of the or practical purposes of the fundamentals of the energy sources. So next type is the non-renewable energy sources, and this is also that consider as the non-renewable energy sources, or also consider as the conventional energy sources, or consider as the exhaustible energy sources. These are the three words that meaning is same, and this energy which is obtained from the static stores of energy that remains bound unless released by human interaction is called the non-renewable energy sources. That is we means by that is the amount of storage in the earth crust surface, or the that reservoir of the energy, and which is harnessed by the human made activity, but the lifeline process, or the process of energy harness or extraction. So these are the limited source of the energy, and this energy is considered as the non-renewable energy sources, or consider as the exhaustible energy sources, or consider as the conventional energy sources. And that is conventional energy sources, that is means by the that energy sources which are used for many decades for the energy extraction or utilization of the energy. Or for example, this energy source is considered as the fossil fuel, like petroleum, like gas, etc., etc. So these are the examples of the renewable energy sources. We want to see here the small diagram of how it is the harness of the energy. That is the short chart table is here, small chart table. So what is the way of energy harnessing? Basically the main source of both energy which is harnessed from the environment, and that is basically upon the what type of the devices which are used, and how it is efficient. So that depends upon. So the main point is, so that is the renewable and non-renewable energy system. So sorry for that erasing point. So that energy resources, energy resources and energy scenario. Okay, so the point is considered as the renewable and non-renewable non-renewable energy system, non-renewable energy system. So or this is shown in terms of the small chart or the flow chart. We have considered the basic source of this energy, which is the environment. So here for the renewable energy sources, so basic source is environment. Okay, and another is, this is renewable energy sources, and this is non-renewable energy sources, and this is also the source is the environment. Okay, and that how the major way consider in the renewable energy sources, that is we have to know that. So that is the source of energy, that is current source of energy to the continuous energy flow, that is anytime that energy is available. So see in terms of, so this is device, both are the device that are connected, or this is the known as the current flow of energy sources, energy sources is continuously. Okay, and that path is considered as ABCD, so that is consider this type path, and this point is A point, and that A point has two main way, so this is another way, A, B, this path C, and here that is the switching point, and this switching point after the point D, there has used the device and the use. So at point here D, here using the device, and here next point is the use. Okay, this is the device for harnessing the energy, D point. This is after the E point. This is the point chart of the use, and after that this energy which is pass in the environment system, so that is point F, and here the system is again after the extraction of energy, other part will be supplied to the again environment. So this is two pathway system, so that is the renewable energy path. And next part which is considered as this basic type is the or that energy which is extract from the environment, again type. So that is we'll have consider the switch point, and this switch point after this is directly use here the device. Okay, and after device the flow point is the that is the use, and after that the point coming is the environment. So environment, and the point is DEF. Or you have to question that, arise the question that, so what is the basically difference between these 2 points? What is the basically difference between 2 points? Because we have to say that that is with the non-renewable energy system, non-renewable energy system, and that system consider as, so see here, so that is the one single pathway. If you have extract the energy, if you have extract energy, then which is harnessed by the device, and if you have used this energy, and other residue part which is supplied to the environment, and this is the single way that is known by, or that is known as this is not cycling process, or this is not replenish or regenerative again and again, which is that is the single way. And this way is considered as if one time so is energy is used, and that is the special feature, this energy which is regenerative or replenished by again and again in nature. So this is the fundamentals of the energy sources, which are renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources. So now next point we want to see the main point here, and this is very important point. So that is the basic difference between the renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources, or also see as the conventional energy sources or non-conventional energy sources, or also consider as the exhaustible energy resources and inexhaustible energy resources. So the comparison between the renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Comparison between renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Energy sources. Okay, so consider as 2 point. So first is or two columns, which is or consider as the three column. First one, first column is like as the reason or what is the factors that, for example, this is example or site location depends, or cost, site or scale. This is the factors region. Or next one is the renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources. So renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources. So first point is consider as the, we want to see the examples of the renewable and non-renewable energy sources. So here we have considered as the factor point. Okay, and first is the, we want to see here the examples of the renewable and non-renewable energy sources, and you know that. So which are the example of the renewable energy sources? That is considered as the solar energy. After that we have considered as the wind energy, or after we have to see consider as the biomass energy. Correct. And as compared to C, in the non-renewable energy sources, the example consider as the coal, petroleum, fossil fuel, etc. Correct. So these are the difference between the examples of the renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources. Next one, we want to see the factors here, the environment. So that is natural, local environment and the concentrated stock. So environment or storages, environment. So in basically consider as the point. So that environment for the renewable energy sources, which are the natural, local sources or environment. Natural, local sources or environment, and which is considered as the concentrated stocks. Natural, local, environment, and in the non-renewable energy sources consider as the stock is the concentrated stock. Okay, so that is consider as these are the sources are continuously harnessing this energy or continuously flow of the energy, and these are only concentrated energy sources in the specific area, and limited storages we have to harness the energy. Next point of this, so what is the duration period or the what is duration or period of the energy resources? So that the factor is the, or how much amount of the storages, or this type of energy is finite or infinite. So we want to consider here the renewable energy sources which is available in the infinite limit. Infinite, so that is considered as the availability. So these are the infinite or the huge amount of storage which is available, and these non-renewable energy sources which are available in the finite limit. Okay, so these are the availability of the non-renewable and renewable energy sources. Next point which is considered as the cost of these energy sources, how much amount of substantial money, or which is free or expensive, or what is the factor or depends. So that is, this energy is also considered as the free types of the energy or free energy, and these types of energy which is considered as the increasingly expensive. Increasingly expensive. Expensive. Increasingly expensive. So these are the depends on the expensiveness of the energy or cost of the energy. So expensive types of the energy. So these are the, that is factor depends on the example, environment, availability, or the expensive or substance, how much amount of energy, or sorry, how much amount of money want to harness this energy. Next one is the scale of this energy. So want to see here, so I want to remove this part and write next factors and distinguish between the renewable and non-renewable energy sources. So first point is next point is the scale of the energy. Okay, so that is that energy which is available in the how much amount of scale, so large scale or small scale, which is considered as the factor is the scale considered as. So renewable energy sources which have the large scale energy, and this energy source which is considered as the small scale energy. Okay, small scale energy. Next point which is depends on the that industry which is located or situated in which area. So that is considered as the rural area or urban areas. So that next factor is the industries scale. After that, industries, and that the renewable energy sources, you know that energy sources which is available in rural area or all over the decentralized area, that is not concentrated stock or not centralized area. So that is the renewable energy sources which is decentralized or which is also available in the rural area. So that industry which is available in the rural as well as decentralized industry. And these types of the energy, that is non-renewable energy, which is available in the urban or centralized industry, which is available in the urban area, or this industry which is centralized industry or which is situated in the big city industry. So next point which is given here, that is the site. So that site is the for the renewable energy sources is society specific, and in the non-renewable energy sources which are used in the international level. And next is the main points is depends upon the system. That system is the self-sufficient system outside, or which is considered as the non-renewable energy sources, which is system depends on the input. Next main point is the pollution. Okay, So how much amount of pollution which is generated in the particular types of the energy. So next main point, or this is very main point that including in this difference, so that is the pollution. And pollution in the renewable energy sources which is usually little, and in consider as the renewable energy sources, that is the harnessing process of energy process, so amount of fuel which is required, so that the pollution which is considered as the environmental pollution is, this is the commonly factor, so that environmentally pollution is common. Pollution is common factor, or large scale of the pollution which is generated in this non-renewable energy type. Or you know that sufficient of about the fuel we that is want to the extract or harness the energy, and that number of greenhouse gases or harmful toxic substances which are extracted for this plant or emit out this in the atmosphere and cause due to the create the pollution. Next one, that is the effect. So that effects on the renewable energy is local hazard possible. Okay, so harmful effects. So what is effect? So hazards local hazards possible. So but this effect is not everyone which is uh, that is the local hazard, or that is the possibility is very less to create this type of the situation. But if you see in the non-renewable energy sources, that most dangerous when faulty. Okay, most dangerous when faulty. Okay, so consider, so this system for the non-renewable energy sources, if the plant of the energy source extraction, the source of extraction plant, so consider as the power plant or something that, or suppose gas extraction of LPG or the natural gases, if the explosion of this gas or explosion of this liquid, so these are the very hazardous point. So these are the difference between the renewable and non-renewable energy sources. So summarize once again, so that the renewable energy sources which are the example of the wind energy, solar energy, etc., and non-renewable energy consider as the example fossil fuel, uh, petroleum or natural gas, etc. Consider as environment, that is renewable energy sources consider as the natural or local environment, or consider as non-renewable energy sources which have the concentrated stock or the period or availability of the renewable energy sources is infinite scale which is available, and non-renewable which is finite scale which is available, and the scale of the renewable energy sources which is small scale, and this is the large scale. So sorry, because use of this very small scale at the present time, and this is the large scale and the industry which is renewable energy sources which are localized in the rural area, or decentralized industry is also there, and in the non-renewable energy sources which is industry which is developed in also in the in the centralized area or the big city, or pollution from the renewable energy sources is until less or minimum, and as compared to the non-renewable energy sources, which is very hazardous, or environmental pollution problem is the commonly, and the renewable energy sources is less hazardous, and non-renewable energy is very dangerous when if the that power plant having any fault. So these are the difference between the renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Next point we will be see here what is the importance of the renewable energy sources and what is the importance of the non-renewable energy sources. So thank you of you.